to enable watch and earn option in TikTok. You may have seen videos claiming TikTok has a watch and earn option, but is it real? Let's find out. Some tutorials show a hidden setting called watch and earn. These are edited screenshots. TikTok has never released this feature. Scammers use this myth to trick users into downloading fake apps or entering login details. This can lead to account theft or malware. TikTok does pay every creators, but only through official programs. This include creator rewards, TikTok Shop affiliate commissions, live gifts, and subscriptions. TikTok's watch and earn option is fake. Stick to official monetization programs if you want safe, legitimate earnings. And that is the truth about TikTok's watch and earn myth.